Hello and welcome back in the second phase of setting our data sheets into our database. For the second phase, we are going to do all the non-German data sheets as we have done all the German ones before. So let's log in again. And as you see, I'm again using two Firefox windows. This is very important. And let's go to the TM traditional again, as we are used to, and now you will see all the foreign language data sheets. So this is, for example, an English one. Let's click on it, and again we will say, okay, I am going to take it into in progress. Welcome back for the second phase of transporting all our traditional data sheets into a database format. Please, first for the second phase, sign in again, as you're used to, with your credentials. Now I'm signed in, and as you can see that also in the second Firefox window, I will be signed in. Okay, now let's go to the TM traditional, and now you see that we are having all the non-German datasheets here. There are about 400 of these. Let's take the first one. As you're used to, I will set it into in progress. And then I will go to the target template in the other window. Now, as we know from before, we can start taking over the fields. The fields are red because the data has not been defined yet. Welcome back to the second phase of transferring our data sheets to a database format. Please log in as you're used to with your login credentials. And then go to the TM traditional. As you see, I'm again using two Firefox windows next to each other. And as I update this window, I see that I'm logged in. So let's find the data sheets that I'm looking for. This one I would like to do. And as we are used to, we also put in progress. Now I have claimed this datasheet, and I will be the only one working on this datasheet. So let's go to the target template. Here we see a lot of data, and actually it is turned into red because we don't have an English version of it. So I will click the text that I would like to edit. The mark plot number and the product title and the brand are not necessary, but here we start with the description. I click on the one I would like to edit, and it tells me that it has the German version here, and here I can put the English version. So as we are used to, I can then go to the value that I would like to copy. If I want to, I can copy more, and I will see that I have all the data in here, and I can input it, and it will automatically go to the next version, to the next field. So there I can take this one, and like this I can continue. You will see that some fields are not orange, they are not clickable. If you go there, it will say the text block is not found. Please first set the text block in the default language. You can actually only use text blocks that have been defined in German before. We always want to use text blocks that have a German original and then maybe some versions in other languages. So the other fields you just cannot edit. It is like that. If you miss a field that you would actually like to take from the original datasheet, please just make a comment and we can work with that. Okay. If you have worked through the datasheet, you can set it to done. If you are done. Only if you really cannot start or something is really bad in this datasheet, you should set it to error. Otherwise, done is also okay. So you see actually that you'll be able to go through the whole thing. Important again is that you're working in 2 Firefox windows, because then the system will work as we expect it to. You can actually take any one of these datasheets that you find here. You also have some funny languages like Russian, for example. As you can see, basically here the system works the same way. It will just copy the Russian symbols as well. Okay? So I wish you very good luck in the second phase of the project, and thank you again very much for all your help. Best regards.